सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान तथा शिक्षक प्रशिक्षण की केंद्रीय प्रायोजित योजनाओं का अभिसरण कर एक व्यापक योजना तैयार की गई है।
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear classmates. Today, our assembly is dedicated to spreading awareness about an important government initiative, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, also known as SSA. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan is a flagship program by the Government of India aimed at achieving universalization of elementary education in a time-bound manner. Its objective is to ensure that every child, regardless of background, has access to quality education. Let's start our assembly with a prayer to seek blessings for educated and brighter future for all. Holy God, Holy Omnipotent, Holy Immortal, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Holy God, Holy Omnipotent, Holy Immortal, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Holy God, Holy Omnipotent, Holy Immortal, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Providence of God, Providence of God, Providence of God, our guardian angel, a lady of Mount Carmel. Now our class students are going to perform a skit on the topic of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, that means education for all. Scene number 1 at Candle. Ravi, let's go to school. I love learning new things.
School is boring. I would rather play here.
But our teacher says education can change our lives. Don't you want to do great things?
What will school do for me? I am fine the way I am.
Scene number 2, the parents enter.
Ravi, education is important. It helps us understand the world and gives the power to make better choices in life. But mom, what will I do with education? We need to work and earn money.
Yes, but with education you can get better job, help our family and even teach others. It opens doors to many opportunities. Scene number 3 at school.
I didn't think it was important.
Education is the key to unlocking your potential. With Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, every child has the right to learn. Imagine the world you can create with your knowledge.
I love learning about numbers, stories, and the words. Come with me, Ravi.
Maybe I should give it a try.
Scene number 4, realization. Education is not just about reading and writing. It's about building a future, breaking the cycle of poverty, and creating a better world. The Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan ensures that every child, like Ravi and Rani, have the opportunity to learn and grow. So let's support and encourage education for all. Scene number 5, conclusion.
Ma'am, I'm ready to learn.
That's the spirit, Ravi. Together we can achieve great things.
Now, our class students are going to share their thoughts on Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. End of this game. Education is the foundation upon which we build our future.
हर घर में चिराग चलेगा, हर बच्चा स्कूल चलेगा. हर बच्चा पढ़ेगा, हर बच्चा बढ़ेगा.
RT means right to education. The first step towards building a nation is providing education.
आओ पढ़ाएं, सबको बढ़ाएं. शिक्षा है सबका अधिकार.
पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया.
Education is a ray of light that lighten up the whole world.
Like oxygen is to life, education is to survive.
The education is wealth. The more you learn, the more you get.
Now let us take the pledge to contribute our part in the mission of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan by being regular in our studies and encouraging the others to do the same. स्वच्छता पखवाड़ा एक महत्वपूर्ण पहल है जिसका उद्देश्य स्वच्छता और सफाई के प्रति जागरूकता बढ़ाना और हर व्यक्ति को स्वच्छता के महत्व को समझाना है. स्वच्छता पखवाड़ा न केवल स्वच्छ भारत मिशन का हिस्सा है बल्कि यह समाज को जिम्मेदार बनाने का भी एक प्रयास है.
मैं स्वयं स्वच्छता के प्रति सजग रहूंगा और उसके लिए समय दूंगा. हर वर्ष 100 घंटे यानी हर सप्ताह 2 घंटे श्रमदान करके स्वच्छता के संकल्प को चरितार्थ करूंगा.
also thankful to our honorable class teachers whose hard work can be seen through this act. I'm also thankful to the teachers and the fellow comrades to bear us with patience. I'm thankful to God for everything. Thank you. I also like to invite Sister Archana for the Holy Bible reading.
Let's listen to the word of God. Your decrees are wonderful. Therefore, my soul keeps them. The unfolding of your words gives light. It imparts understanding to the simple. With open mouth, I pant, because I long for your commandments. Turn to me and be gracious to me, as is your custom towards those who love your name. Keep my steps steady according to your promise, and never let iniquity have dominion over me. Redeem me from human oppression, that I may keep your precepts. Make your face shine upon your servant, and teach me your statutes. My eyes shed streams of tears, because your law is not kept. So good morning, children. I'm so impressed with today's prayer service. The students have come up with a beautiful thought, a message for all, which you are all engaged in. They said, education is for all. And the reading today from the Bible also highlight on the importance of education. The students said, education is a right for all, irrespective of your caste, creed, color, religion. All the citizens of India should enjoy this opportunity for education. And you are all getting that opportunity. You are in a school where you are good, getting a good environment. You have very good teachers to teach you. So education is a tool that is for developing oneself and developing the society. Education is not knowledge. Don't misunderstand. Education is not just knowledge. It is getting formed, not information. Your mind gets formed, not informed. So information you can get from Google, you can get from your friends, you can get from anywhere. Information. But education is to form you, transform you. So any lesson that you learn in the classroom is to enable you to change, to transform. You are not just like as you were in the beginning. Each day or in each year, when you came to KG nursery, you were not like this. And when you grew in nursery with the basic learnings, basic education, basic knowledge. But again there you learned many things for life. You learned to use your hand for writing. It helped you to strengthen your hands. And then the first letter that you learned, it helped you to recognize the world around with the letters that are given to you. You were taught with the lesson, with the letters, and with each letter you could connect the world. So you begin to connect to the world by the education that you get in your classroom. And then to the next class, KG2, again you got letters are being kept together. You learn to form the word. So with the word again, you are connecting to the world because you want to communicate to the world what you want, is it not? So you could communicate in forming words and sentence. You could well speak to your teachers what you want. You begin to learn the language, both Hindi and English. And now you converse in English. In English medium, you begin to converse in English. That is again your education happening. You are educating yourself that you can be decent in your expressions, you need to be polite. Your teachers also tell you how to behave in the classroom, how to be maintaining the decorum, disciplining yourself. All these are education. It's not only information that is education. Information only doesn't turn to be educating or education. So this right to education is given to all, and so you are privileged students to be in this school, and you are getting all opportunity to know about the world. Therefore, we need to be grateful to God. And the word of God speaks today that you need to be listening to the instructions. Instructions are part of education. When you are instructed, you are again forming your mind. So, education, remember, it is not information but forming your mind. Every day you change yourself, you develop yourself. So, our education in the society is to develop the society, and education for oneself is to develop oneself. Every individual, you as an individual child, daughter of, son of your parents, should enable yourself to be developing your personality each day. So that is the message today, and the word said, make your face shine upon your servant. So as we listen to God, listen to God and look at Him, He will make our face shine. And also we need to be sorrowful when we do not obey. That's why it is said, my eyes shed streams of tears because your law is not kept. You see how you need to feel regret about when you do not obey your teachers. And I could very well see how this class, 5th section, 5th B, have truly exposed that they are being receiving education. Real education happens when you can express yourself confidently before others. Education happens when you come up with a discipline. Education happens when you support each other. I truly appreciate that girl, the teacher who was there standing. I'm sure the teacher must have instructed how she was maintaining or how she was keeping the mic. So that is another instruction that the teacher must have given. Not to interrupt, but to be in order, helping others to get the mic in its proper way. So when you obey your teachers, when you listen to the instructions, when you obey them, you become an educated person. Not with your information, not with your knowledge alone, but letting it process in your mind to be developing you. So I wish that all my children be really educated. Education, again I remind you, not the marks that you attain in the class that can make you educated, but being proper in your classroom, in your home, and in the society. Obeying the rules, instructions, and learning the lessons that is taught in the classroom. So with this, I once again appreciate class 5th B and their class teacher Kiran ma'am for the beautiful prayer service conducted. more than too many programs. I appreciate the discipline that they maintained and the effectiveness of the message they conveyed. All of them spoke so clearly, very fluently. And the girl, I appreciate her especially for being very confident and very clearly she spoke. So every anchoring students, both the girl and boy, I don't remember their names. So both of them spoke so well, and all the others came up with the thoughts very well. So I appreciate both of you. What's your name?
Adhar Sena.
Ananya Jain and Adhar Singh. Both of them spoke well. So I congratulate both of you and the whole class. All of them were well disciplined. So once again, let us give a big clap for the whole class. I also appreciate the pledge they have taken, Swachh Bharat, and that was a great pledge they took. I think the whole process of education it is involved in that pledge. All that you need to do, they have already taken pledge. You have already taken the pledge. So I congratulate the teacher. I think Jai Shriman must have helped for Vishal sir also. So I congratulate both of you for preparing the pledge proper, and that should be there in your mind all the time. It should remind you are taking a promise, not to just use the good words, but to live it in life. And that is what education. Again I said, not the information, not those words can transform you, but the decision you take, the actions that you do can change you and make you as an educated person.
Kindly get ready for the national anthem. Attention, standards, attention.